Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is Bofrot puff puff. In Ghana we say Bofrot. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. So we'll start by activating our yeast, and we are doing that with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1.5 teaspoon of dry yeast. Cover and let it sit for 5 minutes so that it can rise very well. So after 5 minutes, this is the result. And so we have our flour here. I'll put the ingredients, quantity and everything in the description box for you. We're also using sugar and non-dairy milk, which is optional. Nutmeg, we are using milk, and we are also going to make use of 2 eggs and margarine. The eggs too are optional, and we are using salted sauce solution, and so I'm using food processor. You can use your hands to mix this. Just put in all your flour and then add the nutmeg. We are adding the non-dairy milk powder. As I said, it's optional, and we're also adding our sugar to it. Then we'll mix it a little. We are going to add our margarine to it, and half of the margarine, I used half of that. That is 250 ml, so I used half of that. And then we'll mix everything together a little. Then we are going to add our eggs to it, but before then we just added our sauce solution. We are adding our eggs also. I'm using sauce solution because the salt I'm using is a stone type. And so added everything. Then we are adding our milk also to it. Then we'll mix everything. So at this point you are going to add our yeast to it. We'll pour in our yeast. Then we'll add a little bit of water to the yeast, the rest of the yeast, and then add it to the ingredients again and mix everything together very well. Please subscribe, like and share this video, and follow me on TikTok also, maxgh. Okay, so this is it. And so this consistency, you can mix it to the consistency that you want, but I don't want it too thick and too light. It shouldn't be watery or liquid. And so something like this is okay. And so pour it, everything, and then cover it with foil. You can cover with your cling film or your plastic or anything, then keep it at a warm place for 2 hours or more. So this is after 2 hours, and I was supposed to add in my flavor before, but I'm adding it now. That is vanilla flavor. Yes, add everything, mix it well, and I decided to add in a little bit of flour to thicken it up. Yes, just a little. So the consistency depends on you. Now this method is what we use our hands to scoop, but this I'm not going to use my hands. I'm going to use my ice cream scooper to scoop it. I actually don't feel comfortable using my hands to scoop them. And so mix everything very well, and make sure your oil is already on fire and very hot. You are going to fry this on a medium heat. You wouldn't want your puff puff or Bofrot to burn, and so make sure that you fry it on a medium heat. So just scoop and then drop in. You can use your hands if you're okay with it, or anything that can help you to scoop very well, and then we'll be dropping them in it in bits and bits. Then when you drop them, you don't leave them on fire and expect it to cook by itself. You have to be stirring and be turning it so that one side will not burn. And this one too, as I say, you have to cook it on a medium heat and not high, very high, no. But before you drop in, you have to make sure your oil is hot. And so our puff puff is ready. When it turns to golden brown, you know that it is ready. Yes, so this is our puff puff, or our Bofrot as we say in Ghana. Mr. Subscribe. I send subscribe here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, maxgh, and also on Facebook, it's Ajwa Aka. Okay, so we'll fry the second batch also. Drop in just as we did. I'll bring you another video on how to make the dry one, the dry Bofrot. Yes, you love that one also. That is dry puff puff. This one is wet puff puff. Okay, please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. So you repeat it this way, this method, till you are done frying everything in your bowl. And our second batch too is ready, and so we are taking everything out. Please share this video for me, and please like and also leave your comments, very necessary. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. And so this is our Pufpuf, our Bofrot. You will love this. Give this a try and you will not regret. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. Like this video and leave a comment. Bye bye.